And
And
we
we
are
are live.
live.
Buhay, buhay, buhay. Again, we're here again on our, ano to, 23rd?
In our 90 Day Go Success Challenge, today is our day
No,
23.
23 na pala,
So,
no?
good morning, good
Naman.
afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be. Time check right
And,
now. It's 11:20 in the morning here in Northern California. It's
yes,
September
yes.
19, Thursday.
Imbag nga bigat, malam, marabi iyo manan apo kakabsat dita, whoever is tuning in right now, watching us or watches us in a replay.
Yes.
Maraming salamat na naman po at you are here, hindi hang kayo mamumang agbuya kanyami,
Yes.
hindi kayo nagsasawang manood sa amin
Mm-hmm.
oh, and ang gusto lang naman naming ipahiwatig sa inyo is the blessing that we've been receiving to bless you too.
Mm-hmm. You want to share
Kaya
that? Yes.
a new day, a new blessing, and always remember, God is good
All the time,
and all the time.
God is good.
Yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
And our topic today, what's gonna be our topic today?
Yes. Topic today, day 23, it is to share a recent achievement in your business. So, yesterday, day 22, we talk about small wins. So, this time it's more maybe like a big win, right?
Mm-hmm.
Achievement in in your business. Yes.
Most
So,
recent daw.
yeah, and it's from our business too. So,
Mhm.
ano ba sa atin? Sorry, pasensya
Gising,
na
gising,
po.
gising, gising. Parang, 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 parang.
Naantok pa. Kulang sa tulog.
Kapika, kapika.
Hmm. Ayun. Sige. Ano pa? Actually, we want to, well, most recently, in not specifically from our own, yung, hindi, I mean, own achievement, but well, we consider it as an achievement as well because we rejoice or we celebrate with our own business
Mentor.
partners,
Business
right?
partner,
In
yeah.
our team. And we want to share the that achievement about is about our mentor, coach mentor. No,
Mm-hmm.
who she just hit
Milestone.
her
Major milestone.
her major milestone in the business. To our mentor Gina, she's the my husband used the word culprit because she's the one who brought us or introduced this
Culprit in a good way.
in a good way. She introduced us this business, and that's why we're so happy. We are yeah, we're so happy, and we celebrate with her with this big achievement of her, because
Mm.
actually her achievement is our achievement as well,
Yeah,
because
because we are part of that success too.
yes.
Parang sabi nga ng Three Musketeers, one for all
For one.
and all for one.
Nahuli ako ng konti.
Kaya nga,
Ito, ulitin mo.
sabi niya, yeah,
Ulitin mo, ano sabi
sabi
ni...
mo, sa Three Musketeers, no? One for all.
All for one!
One,
No?
yun.
Ate Gina, nandiyan ka.
Hello, Ate
Hello, good
Joe.
morning, Ate
Hello,
Gina.
neighbor.
Hello sa mga mentors namin. Good morning. We have
Mm.
2 million viewers. Thank
Thank
you.
you, thank you. No, 3 million, 3 million.
Yeah.
Hello,
Yes.
thank you
So
for watching.
yun,
Ayun.
so that's one. And there's a lot. There's a lot who are hitting their milestones after
Mm-hmm.
milestones here in our business.
Business,
So it's
yes.
so parang nakakatuwa, 'di ba? Na and it's just it gives you parang nakaka-proud ba? Nakaka-proud because you are part of this
Mm-hmm.
business where they're in, where they're that they're hitting all this major milestone. And parang you're just proud na masabi mo sa tao na this business is legit. This business is just so good because you see people and people's lives, families being changed, right? For the better, of course. That's what I
Mm-hmm.
meant. Or getting their, like, na-achieve nila yung mga dreams nila, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And of course, and especially ang maganda pa kung minsan pag when they share about their story, yung journey nila,
Mm-hmm.
it's just so inspiring how from how they started to what they achieve. Um, nakaka-encourage, nakaka-proud because if you put yourself in their shoes, naku, you will also feel proud and just you will celebrate with their achievement as well. So ayun, may mga sinasabi, ay sis Maristel, good morning. Nakita na, nahuli mo kami. Good morning, good morning. Hello mga ading, sabi ni Ate Jeans. To our mentor Lian. Hola, watching. Your neighbor is here. Yes, she was just here last night as well. Ayan. Yes, all for one. Oh, siya magsasabi, all for one daw. Daddy, all for one? One for all. Hello, Sis Maristel. Good morning. Ayun. But, okay, but with this question as well, how about us? We would like to share also ang recent masabi namin recent achievement namin is actually yung na-hit din namin ang certain milestone here in this
Yes.
business. We hit our 4th milestone. And it is not possible without God's help. Definitely. Kasi again, going back to yung sabi ko rin na yung mga if you will just listen to yung mga stories ng mga successful people or top earners in our business, makaka-resonate ka because that's how also we started. We at the beginning of our business, parang we were talking about the past few days. We're talking about like having doubt or like some skepticism. Of course, we had those also when we were starting. We're thinking about, is it, how soon or can we really get there? But then, good thing, there's we are surrounded with positive people,
Slowly
positive
getting
mindset.
there.
But though at the same time, like what we shared too, we have since we already engraved in we've been meditating on God's word. So yung mantra namin that we shared, I can do all things through Him who gives us strength, through Christ who gives us strength. Even though every now and then, especially when we were starting, there's that time, especially for me. I can talk for me. My husband is the one who's pulling me up every time or encouraging me every time. But no, may time na I was feeling down as well. Kasi especially nga, I have background in other networking businesses, and most of those mga MLM kung minsan like na yung gusto mo yung mabilis na kitaan, mabilis na
Result na mabilisang kita.
yes.
That's what she's saying.
Yes.
And
But so pasensya na po.
ito talaga, nag-i-start na naman tong si Kulit eh. Wala nga siya dito sa likod pero been getting her attention. Ayun nga. Pero, anong gusto mo sabihin?
Nag-start na ganun. Pero yung because of change in
Change in
mindset. Change in
Yes.
mindset, or also because I'm surrounded with supportive mentors, coaches, and the community. We were
Mhm.
able to keep going, and then in how many months in the business, we on our 7th month of the business, we hit that 4th milestone. And it's just again makes
No, yung isang
Yung-
achievement pa natin is yung pag-extend ng maternity leave mo. Mind you, until our 4th child,
lagi
basta lagi
after 6 weeks.
after 6 weeks balik na si Sap.
Yeah, balik na
Balik
ako
na
kaagad
agad siya sa
trabaho.
work.
Yeah.
But with our 5th one, nung naka-join na kami with this business,
May enough supplemental income.
and then longer na yung maternity leave ni Mrs. na noon, di ba, may mga na ano lang namin yung mga kwento, bakit si ganito nung may nakaka-extend sila ng maternity leave.
Actually, so speaking of that, kasi of course nakikita ko, I mean possible naman na mag-extend ako if I want to. Most of the time yung mga kasi naririnig ko rin or nakikita ko yung mga katrabaho ko, they do extend.
You want to, but the thing is, it's not gonna be enough.
not only that is because kasi dati yung mga situation ng iba, like ibang mga katrabaho ko, they have their partners, also
Working.
working.
Yeah,
In
that's
our
true, that's true.
situation, of course, this is sa mga nakakaalam ng stories namin na it is our decision na ang asawa ko ang nasa bahay while I'm the
But-
income earner. So, hold on, teka lang,
Oh, sige.
ganun. So, ganun yung situation namin. So, that's why, of course,
No, that's a
you know,
big achievement.
pag magma-maternity leave na ako, and, naman sa hirap ng buhay or living here in California and bills, just keep piling up. Also, siguro I can only mayroon man kaming reserve for just 1 month siguro. Pero hindi pa rin parang, hindi it won't be enough kung hindi kasi wala kang supplemental income coming in while I'm on maternity leave.
Yes.
Kasi ako lang ang income earner, 'di ba? So before laging ang nasa isip ko lagi after 6 weeks kailangan ko nang bumalik because also at the same time the reason na ubos na ang PTO ko, sick leave ko, because I had some complications with the pregnancy. So parang yun nga, force ka, you're tied with your employer, and then you cannot even, as much as you want to request, pwede rin naman, i-allow nila na parang mag-extend ka ng konti, but only limited. And plus, yun nga, no pay. Paano naman ang family ko? So yung mga ganun na parang nasistress ako pag time na ganun, papalik na ng trabaho, ganyan. But then, this time, with our fifth one,
we have this
ayan.
passive income.
We are-
Nagagawa na namin yung
yes.
gusto namin. Before, when ang paternity leave ko lang 1 week. But now, a lifetime yung paternity leave ko. Yung lifetime yung paternity leave ko that with this business that it could give me a fixed monthly income.
Yeah.
Diba? So, anong sabi ni dito ni Shay?
Hi,
Hello,
Shay, good
business
morning.
partner. Sabi niya, good morning. Ingat sa pagsundo sa kids mo.
Yes.
And
Mabilis
mabilis
ang kita pero hindi
pangmatagalan, walang fixed income. Yes, that's
right.
true. Yung
Yeah, yung
mga side hustle na nasalihan
Oo.
namin.
Or not even, kwan pa, hindi. Yung mga side hustle din na nasalihan namin before, it's not, yung nakuha, yung nakuha man naming
And then
commission from it, it's incomparable to what we got from here.
Yes,
it's way
that's
more than
way.
that. So that's why this business is really parang napakaganda. Whoever's not part of our business yet, nako, this business is just really wonderful.
Sabi ni Shay, yes, life of parents relate ulit. Yes. Ganun talaga.
Nagda-drive ka ba, Shay?
Yeah,
Ba't ka focus on driving. Ganun eh. Yay, now extended ang bonding with family.
Hindi mo ba alam, dahil nasa digital business natin, makakapag-type yung phone natin, you just dictate what she's gonna who's gonna type, tapos
sa bagay, no?
extend. She's still focused sa pagdadrive.
Natutunan niya yan sa training.
Hello, Lay.
Hi, Sis Lay. Good morning po.
Good
morning.
She's watching.
Here.
And
Ayun.
correct daw yung pagiging yon sa maternity leave mo. Sabi mo, Nax.
Sa Ate Gina na
Nax, sabi niya. Siyempre, Nax. For a lifetime yung paternity leave ko na.
7 million viewers na tayo. Thank you for the support.
And you are working na from home pa, di ba, Ken? Yes, I'm working. I've been working 24/7.
Actually, the story nga share ko lang.
Bali, ang part-time ko with this digital business. Diba? My full-time is being a dad.
Share ko lang actually so pag dumarating yung check, pinapakita namin sa mga anak namin.
Sa parking naman daw siya while waiting for the parents.
Okay, good. Pero ayun, pinapakita namin sa mga anak namin, and actually they're so happy when I said this is your dad's saka kayo daddy niyo tong check na to.
Oh, my eyebrows are up. Ganyan.
Like,
yeah, that's mine. Hindi, joke lang.
Yeah. Pero and then they were like asking, so how did you get that? Ganun yung anak ko eh. Diba, we were just dancing the other time, or we're just doing this. Really, you get money from just doing that? Sabi ganun no anak.
Eto na naman, start na naman tong isa. Boom!
Aray ko, basa-basa kumain.
Wala,
Okay, yun.
naka-recharge na kasi, nakakain na.
Mm-mm.
Tsk, yan, ha? Can you?
Pero actually sa mga ito from here or yung panganay ko up to this one, I really didn't have bonding time. Dito medyo ng konti, pero yung bang still all of them after 6 weeks I have to go back to work.
Nagpapakit-cute.
So
Yan, ha?
it's really very
Still.
thankful to God
Keep
na He led us
Just
to
say hi.
this business,
Mhm.
wherein and then plus yun nga for God to have blessed us to get us to that yung fourth milestone. It's really a big help sa amin kasi ayun,
Mhm.
financially, talagang enough na supplemental income.
Yes, and please, with our business partners dyan, huwag kayong mapaghinaan ng loob
Yes.
kasi time will come, your time will come, and then, ito na lang. Nakakatuwa, isang example ko na lang yung, yung parents ko kasi, para ma-relate ko lang na para maano ko sa mga business partners na huwag kayong give up. Example lang to, tignan nyo, yung mom ko kasi, yung parents ko, they went back to the Philippines. So, birthday ng lola ko. So, they play games. One of the games that they played is yung bingo. So, there's a lot of raffles na mapapanalunan nila, right?
Prices.
Oo. Tapos itong dalawang kapatid ng mom ko, ano ba yan? Di tayo nakakakuha, sabi niya gano'n. Pero one of the sister got it already, one prize. But the
Yung
other
isa.
sister, sinasabi niya, ano ba yan? Wala akong makuha, sabi niya gano'n. And why not we exchange cards? Sabi niya gano'n. And napag-isip pa siya, okay, sige, we exchange cards. Nag-exchange sila ng cards.
Oh.
So you know what happened? Yung pinalit niyang card, yun ang nanalo. Binitawan niya yung card na nasa kanya. So what I'm trying to say, and nanalo siya ng major prize with that one.
Ngayon magkano pa? Balik
Kaya
na, wala
nagsisisi na siya.
Sayang.
Yun lang ang gusto kong sabihin. Kaya kung hindi mo alam kung yung time na yun, it will come because in God's perfect timing lang talaga yung pagkuha mo ng mga rewards, gift, blessings.
Yeah.
So, huwag niyong bibitawan itong digital business natin. Because you guys invested already. Namuhunan na kayo. Kagaya ng kita kong yun. Diba? He's been nag-ano siya, nagtitingin-tingin siya sa mga numbers, pinaghirapan na niya para tignan yung kanya, and then napagod siya, ipinalit niya, then nanalo ng major prize, di ano siya ngayon.
Right.
Nga. Diba? Yun lang naman. It's a good example.
Hindi ko mapanood niyo to.
Yes.
Hi,
Hello.
Tita Beth. Good morning po.
Good morning.
Yeah, but then that's why we shared this na shinare din nila.
Teka. Hello,
Coach.
baby. Hello, baby daw, sabi ng baby ni Shay.
Baby,
baby.
Hello.
Yes, I claim that into the Lord, my time will come then. Sabi niya
Yes.
ganun.
Yeah, din shinare din namin na shinare
Hello,
nila.
Ate Debbie.
Shinare nila Coach Dave. Stay in the faith street. Keep the faith lang. Keep the faith lang. Kasi talaga, again, going back to yung mga, yung sinare din lang.
Yana. Ay.
Shinare lang namin din na di ba? That's just believe in God kasi He knows the future. He knows what's best for us. So kasi limited lang yung nakikita natin, limited lang yung limited yung kaalaman natin. So basta just
please stay on that.
Magtiwala lang sa Panginoon. Your time will come.
Kung pwede lang sana na alam mo pag yung sa pilahan, 'di ba? Your guys in line sa movie or pagpasok mo ng restaurant o yung pag-process mo ng papers or pagkuha mo ng NSO, yung parang ikaw kakilala mo siya, you're gonna stay in place para ma-reserve yung yung
or
line
sa mga
mo,
phone na ngayon, nare-reserve mo yung
ma-reserve mo
spot
yung
mo.
spot mo and everything.
Kung pwede mo lang
Kung
gawin
pwede
yun.
lang namin gawin para sa inyo, we could do that, but the thing is, it's you. It's only you who could help you.
And then,
Yun lang naman talaga, yun naman talaga yung kon. Kaya please,
just also we encourage you, just keep showing up for your business. Kasi
Mm.
rin, how will they know that you have a business? If you're not showing up, if you're not showing them that you have a business. Yung posting, ano lang naman yung pagpo-posting natin, and then that's why nga meron na rin tayong copy paste, 'di ba?
Mm.
Pinadali na po sa atin, It's a matter of you siguro talaga that's why it's really important that the mindset will be changed.
Mhm.
Have a positive mindset, especially in hindi lang dito sa business, in anything in life, in order to move forward, to progress. You have to have a positive mindset. Kung magpapadala ka sa mga negative thoughts, naysayers, that's gonna be an obstacle for you. You have to overcome that,
Mhm.
or else there's not gonna be a change in your life. Yeah, ayun.
Tama, sabi nga ni Amen. Sabi ni Ate Jean, yes, she's
Ate Deb,
agreeing. Yes,
na.
yes.
Ate Deb, hello, good morning, Ate Debbie.
And then Ate Beth, be patient. Yes, that's true,
Yes.
be patient.
Talaga. And actually pinaalala nyo po yung patience. Kanina lang nag-aasa ko sa Panginoon, give me more patience, Lord. Kasi kahit na 5 na po ang anak namin, no? Kala mo mahaba na ang pasyensya ko, hindi pa rin.
Minsan maiksi pa rin ang swelas ng kordon ng misis ko eh.
Ay,
But,
naku.
but then again, just be patient. Kasi you'll never know, the time will come na
Yeah.
ikaw din ang magpo-prosper.
Mhm.
Kaya yun, kaya tama talaga yung sinasabi nila Coach Dave and Roxanne nga, just stay on that faith street.
Oo.
And then when my mom tell that story, yung nangyari dun sa palaro niyang yun, oh yeah, that's very true. Huh?
Mhm.
Kung kailan mo binitawan, tsaka nag-prosper, iba ang aani. Diba? Napakasakit yun, yung iba yung kukuha.
Yeah.
You're the one who worked hard on it. Tapos,
Dahil hindi ka na makahintay.
iba ang nag-reap.
Right?
You've been planting the seed, but iba ang kumain ng bunga. Oh, no.
Yeah.
Diba? Kaya
Ito,
yun.
yung sa Isaiah 60:22, when the time is right, the Lord will make it happen. So just and then always think actually na kasi mahirap din. So it is also a dream blocker na sabi nila Coach David Roxanne, yung time limitation, yung binibigyan mo yung sarili mo ng time to parang binibigyan mo ng timeline ng sarili mo.
Mahulog ka dyan.
Kasi pag ginagawa mo yon at hindi mo kasi na-achieve yung isang bagay, di ba, para kang kaagad, ay, wala na, hindi na para sa akin, ganun kaagad. So it can, it is a dream blocker. Pero 'di ba, itong sinasabi nga namin dito sa business na to, that's why first off, when you join, 'di ba, may whys ka bakit ka nag-join. And you already know na ditong business na to, our business is for life, no? Yung having when you hindi mawawala whatever, kung ano mang yung sinimulan mo dito, hindi mawawala or mag-start all over, hindi. So,
walang restart.
Yes, walang de-ranking or whatever ng mga term natin, 'di ba? But anyway, ayun nga na sabihin ko. Biglang sabi ko.
Walang de-ranking.
And then yung timeline. Mahirap kasi pag binibigyan mo sarili ng timeline. Kung minsan actually you are you're competing with yourself. Binibigyan mo ng yung sarili mo na hanggang ganito lang. Tapos, yun na. Pero, if you keep doing that kasi na...
Si Kwan lang ang may timeline, si Judith.
Judith.
Si Judith lang ang may time.
Nakuha niyo?
Yeah.
Ah,
Si
si Judith lang ang may time daw.
Yeah, si Judith lang may timeline. Darating minsan katapusan, darating at the 15th day of the month.
Madalas sa 30th, di ba?
Yeah, yung
Or sa
si Judith.
o si ano, hindi pala
Yes.
sa first day of the month, madalas. 'Di ba? Yung darating si Judith for mortgage.
Yes, yun lang yung mga may timeline.
Hindi, pero
With our
ayun nga.
business, no.
Our business knowing, especially sa mga business partners natin, already know how our business is. You know, knowing na walang you can have this business for yun nga, yung for life, like I said, then why are you putting timeline on yourself? You know,
Just like
and
with
achieving like certain milestone.
yeah.
You know,
Kagaya na lang with si Ate Gina with her life, with our life to yung kahirapan natin noon, yung ang tagal-tagal mo na naghihirap, right? But ano yung end result? Tignan mo ngayon, yung mga achievements ngayon, yung mga blessings na natatanggap mo, dahil doon sa foundation na ginawa mo, yung pinaghihirapan mo. Yung kahirapan noon, that keeps you motivated to be successful. Diba? Oh, si
every
Sao.
small
Hi, Saukon.
Small progress is still a progress na sinasabi nila. That's why you have to learn how to recognize small wins.
Yes, Judith. Judith.
Yes, Judith po. Judith. Yeah, you have to recognize small wins in order to, or being grateful to small things na like sinabi namin kahapon. Kasi that will motivate you to keep going. Kasi yun nga, tapos sino yung may nagsalita kanina lang? Was it si Kabsat Kwan, Virginia, sabi niya, may binasa siya kanina na yun nga, kapag multiple small wins become big wins. Parang ganun. Pero yun nga, yung big wins na yan, it will come. Wag mo kasi nahirap pag nagja-jump ka kaagad sa ano kasi na yung sa isip mo kailangan kuha ko to kaagad.
Oo naman talaga mahirap mag-jump you from the start tapos i-jump mo yung pinaka-final na. Mahirap
isipin mo na lang yung mga athlete naman na yan, hindi naman sila magiging kung let's say about the mga Olympics, di ba? Yung mga nagkakuha ng mga medals. They didn't get there right away. They have to practice. They have to go through training.
Go through training, practice. Motivation din,
Oh.
physical, mental. Mental
din,
you have to prepare.
Yeah, they have to go through hardship din. Tapos kasi nga, that's the reason why sometimes God allow challenges to happen in our life. Kasi nga, paano mo ma-enjoy or
mananamnam o masasamsam
yung achievement mo
or
when you get it, kung hindi mo naramdaman or na-experience yung mga challenges na yun. It's parang it's a sweeter, mas may term akong gustong sabihin. Hindi lumalabas sa
hindi dapat bittersweet.
Pwede rin. Pero yeah. Ayun. Binanggit mo yung bittersweet, 'di ba? Sa coffee kasi mas gusto namin recently yung parang yung cold brew. Ang cold brew mas longer ang process in order to have it.
That's true.
Medyo ilang days muna 'yan before mo yung bitterness niya. Yung kapag yung nag-brew ka lang from yung kunyari sa Keurig namin, brew ka lang, 'di ba? Mabilis. Pero iba yung lasa nung sa cold brew. Sa amin this is our preference.
Yeah, sa cold brew.
Oo. Tapos yun pa yung kasi ang difference pa yung kasi yung acidity level mas taas yung acidity kapag yung mabilisang brew.
Yes,
compared sa cold brew na longer yung process.
I tried that one too, yung hindi siya yung minadali ko. I didn't wait for 24 hours. Diba? 24 hours dapat yung cold brew na yun. I didn't wait it. Ang pakla, parang tubig lang.
Mm-mm.
Kaya hindi maganda yung nagmamadali ka. You have to wait for it. And sabi rin ni Ate
Bittersweet.
sabi rin
Yan na yun.
ni Shay, mas rewarding pag pinaghihirapan.
Hihirapan. Correct. There you go.
Yes, yun
Ayun.
talaga.
Hi, Sis Salcon. Good morning or good afternoon na maybe there or what. So yun. Ano pa ang may mas-share kang verse about it, Ate? Ay,
Ano yung kuha natin dyan?
Meron yung verse kang nahanap kanina.
Yes, Matthew 5:16. In the same way, let your light shine before others, that they may see your good deeds and glorify your Father in heaven. Ayun. But he's just telling us na we need to be brighter when times of darkness para yung mga nadadown na mga kasama natin, that they will could see your light and get motivated to reach on that light para ma-lift up sila from that darkness or pagiging down or pagiging depressed from that time, 'di ba? Through God's cause will glorify you.
Mhm.
Yun lang naman yung parang in my kwan lang yung pag-meditate ko lang with that verse.
Sa mga kasama namin
Parang
dyan.
setting a good example. Yun lang. Being a leader.
Mhm.
Kagaya ni Ate Jeans, yan. Setting a good example, right?
Yes.
We've been seeing her light already. So that's why we are being drawn to that light.
Yeah, mas na-motivate
Na
pa
mas
naman kami.
na-motivate na naman
Because,
tayo,
you know,
right?
especially kasi iba ko minsan din na parang you physically see someone na yung or malapit sa iyo yung taong nakaka-achieve, 'di ba, ng mga major milestone. I mean, we are of course just kasi in our community there's a lot of achievers or nasa tawag nito, successful people already, pero iba kapag yung mismong malapit sa iyo,
Yes.
got into a major milestone.
Ano
Parang
sabi nila yung
parang very proud ka na pwede yun gusto ko mong
mayabang
mayabang sa mga ibang
or
tao.
proud of?
Mismong, kaibigan ko, So this is definitely, she's a enough proof for us to say that our business is legit and this business can make your life, change for the better. Yung mga ganon. So,
Kaya sabi nga nila, lights drawn, lights ba? Ay, attracts light.
yeah.
Yeah, don't be a deer. Di ba? Alam niyo yung mga deer, pag na-attract sila sa light, nakatitig lang sila dun sa light, sa mga headlight. Kaya na-end up, nababangga sila. So you have to, ano mo yung light na yan. I-grasp mo yung light. Gumalaw ka sa light na yun. Kung huwag kang mag-i-steady lang at tititig.
Tititig lang.
Oo,
Dapat.
huwag kang tititig lang. You need actions. Yun lang naman.
May nag-laugh doon.
Ha?
Ay, nakikita mo pala kasi yung mga viewers natin, hindi ko makita dito eh. But anyway, thank you for our 7 million viewers. I also want to share this verse sa mga business partners natin dyan, besides sa mga ibang verse na, or itong mga verse na nasa likod lang namin, yung verse na yan, na Jeremiah 29:11 again, we want to keep sharing that. And hopefully you guys will meditate on this verse as well, because panghawakan nyo, have confidence in God, because the Lord knows what's best for us, and it's just a matter of time na kung kailan darating yung para sa iyo. Yeah. But kasi just think, he led you here for a reason. Go back to your whys, and God had provided this a solution for you. And the thing is, kasi, and this is the good thing about our business, kasi you're gonna learn a lot in this business, not only about it's not kasi hindi lang about financial help ang tulong talaga ng business na to, but it's molding our character. Where can you find that kind of business where it's helping us, changing our character? Ano ba yan, anak ko? Ang gulo-gulo, ang gulo. Pasensya na po. But then, just like the verse flashing on in front of you right now, delight yourself in the Lord, and He will give you the desires of your heart. Just keep,
Amen. Amen.
just keep meditating on that as well. God knows the desires of your heart.
Reflect on it.
God knows the desires of your heart. And so, and even, yun yung sinasabi, di ba, narinig nyo naman, and you might know that, na before you even say, or ask the Lord, He already knows, what you need or what's in your heart. Pero, you have to, parang sa ano lang din, again, our God is like a father, consider mo na lang, kung ikaw anak ka, yung ama natin is, di ba, parang you have to, parang, di ba, lambingin mo rin naman. Lalambingin, lalambingin mo ang tatay mo para rin ibigay sa iyo yung kagustuhan mo, yung hinihingi mo. Ganun lang din yun. Parang keep delighting yourself into God.
Di lang sa tatay mo, kahit sa asawa mo o sa misis mo, di ba? Naglalambing kayo para makuha mo yung
Yung
gusto
gusto mo.
mo.
Pero hindi nga, yun nga. Parang just keep working on your relationship with God. The more actually that you will, parang mas patibayin mo pa yung faith mo. Kasi
Yes.
again, he knows your future, or he's the one in control. Just pangiwakan nyo lang for those, especially ito, talagang subok na natin, talaga this business is a good plan B. Kasi hindi mo talaga malalaman. You don't know when life happens, when emergency happens in our life. But then at least when that happens,
You are prepared.
yeah, you're prepared. But because that's why nga na, doon ka ma-amaze na, God really had provided this, this business for a reason. Kasi He knows already, na it will, and then, yun, doon ka pa ma-amaze kasi nga na, pag, hindi mo alam, parang ito na, parang sa bingo na situation ng asawa ko. Yes, you might not be flourishing right now in this business. Parang feeling mo parang walang nangyayari. But then, pag time na kailangan mo na pala, pag time na may nangyari, di mo alam. Baka ang Panginoon biglang yun pala. Yun yung biglang, rin, automatic dun. Yung big reward na hinihintay mo, dun mangyayari. So,
And then you
you
let
just
go.
don't, but then that's why just have faith in God. Na he will not leave you nor forsake you, right? And ano pa?
Pretty much yun.
Yeah.
Napalaman na natin lahat.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ay, anak ko. Teka lang, pasensya na po. Na-istorbo talaga ako dito. Nawawala ng
Yan. Hey, I think yun lang. Kaya nga, you have to, again, I told, like what I said a while ago, pag yung deer na attract sa light, wag ka lang tititig. You need action. By doing that, go to our website, www.genosap.com, put your name on it and email, and click register, and you will watch that free taste that we've been offering you guys. If you want to know more, if you are hungered for that free
Hungry.
taste, or that hungry with that free taste, then pay that one-time fee, and you will open a lot of blessings na malalaman nyo with our business, kung ano yung mga pinagsasabi namin dito. It will explain everything to you step by step, and then don't stop from there. You have 30 days to decide whether this is for you. But mind you, with that 30 days, you have to pray for it. Kung ito yung pinagkalooban ng Panginoon, pray for it, and God will give you the wisdom. And take that leap of faith. Kung binigay na ng Panginoon yung wisdom na yan, take that leap of faith and join our business. And wag kayong mag-alala. Once you join the business, we are there to guide you as a mentor
all the way.
Hindi lang kami na mentors, but there's a lot of mentors there. We have a good system, we have a good community,
Yes.
that everyone will help you there sa journey nyo.
Yes.
And we will guide you step by step. Kahit baby step pa yan.
Mhm.
We will guide you patiently.
Mhm.
Eh, ano ba?
Yun pa
And
nag-iisip ako kasi again yun nga, still iisipin lang nila, hindi you will na mayroong mga kasabihan na gano'n, hindi ako prepared for today.
mhm,
But then you won't get to a big achievement. 'Di ba it's like a stair naman yan eh.
mhm,
Na dahan-dahan mo ma-achieve doon. But then the very first important key there kasi is before you get to an achievement, a success in life, you have to take the first step.
yes,
You have
that's
to
true.
take the first step.
Kagaya na lang, example na lang, when that elevator is broken.
Mm.
Kailangan ka maglalakad ng stairs, right? Going to that floor na gusto mong
Puntahan.
puntahan.
Mm.
'Di ba? Parang nasa isip mo pa lang mahirap na. So, mag-step-step ka. So, you walk up the stairs, right? Mapapagod ka na niyan, yung tuhod mo masakit na, hinihingal ka na, you've been perspiring already, nagsisweat ka na, lahat na kung ano pa nagsisweat dyan, kilikili or anything, right? But once you reach that floor, ang laking ginhawa. Parang ganun lang yun.
Mhm. Pero at the same time din
Yeah.
kasi ang napunta sa isip ko naman, hihintayin mo ba na maayos pa yung elevator,
Before
abutin ka
you
ng
will act.
siyam-siyam?
Yes, that's
Or
true.
should you just go ahead and start walking, start
Start
taking that
going.
first step and keep walking
Mhm.
so that you'll get to your floor na gusto mo or yun nga
Yes.
yung gusto mong patunguhan.
Kasi lahat ng bagay ng shortcut, hindi rin naman maganda ang lahat ng shortcut.
At least, mas maganda na start mo na and then malay mo kung kunyari
Oh,
just
that was a good
yeah, kasi
illustration.
nga
Parang
hihintayin mo bang ayusin pa nila
naisip
yung
mo yun.
elevator na
Hindi,
yun?
hindi ko naisip yun. Kaya maganda talaga pag there's
Two heads.
two heads. No?
Pero kasi
That's
'di ba
true.
hintayin mo
Yeah.
yung elevator na maayos.
Maayos before you will act.
Nagsayang ka na ng time.
Yeah. Time waiting for
Nagsayang
that
ka na ng
elevator
time. And
to
that
work out.
time, 'di ba? Ay, isipin niyo na lang kung ano ba yung hindi mo alam kung hanggang kailan maayos 'yon.
Mhm.
Talagang hindi mo na, 'di ba? Lost time is time wasted. Wala na, hindi
Yeah,
mo na
lost time is
maibabalik
time
'yon.
wasted. Yes.
Yeah.
Hello, Eden Grace.
Eden Grace. Hi, good morning. Hello.
Hi,
Thank you for
Hikari.
watching.
Hi, Ate Liza. Hi, Jason. Si Orpien, binaliktad lang niya yung pinili niya.
I
Hi.
see. Hi, Ate Lisa. Hello
Hi,
po. Thank you for
Vice.
watching.
Hi, Press.
Mhm. Tama ano sabi ni Ate Gina? Share ka lang. Tama ganyan ang iba, nag-aantay or yung iba bumabalik na, sayang. Yun.
Yes.
Let's say mag-isip tayo, yes, dapat may plan B, kumamit ng stairs. Ayun nga, paano kung kunyari kasi nga
Mhm.
may gusto kang kunin doon sa floor na kailangan mong puntahan doon. Pero dahil nga nasira yung elevator, next time na lang, next time na lang. Tapos
Or
baka wala na, nawala na yun.
sabi
Nawala na rin
ni
yung naunahan ka na.
yung mga habits, yan yung mga habits na sinabi ni Tijaw noon past lives na yung bahala na system, manyana habits, mamaya na habits.
Mm,
Yung mga ganong bagay, remove those habits.
yeah. Kasi, they will be an obstacle
Mhm.
in order for you to to get success in life. Pero yun, again, of course, when you think about nag-isip ka na maging successful or when you join this business, there's a reason that you join this business is because you want some change in your life.
Mhm.
Now, you took the risk, took the first step, just keep going. Gaya ng sinabi ng asawa ko, mapapagod ka habang umaakyat ka, habang pero still, just kasi eye on the price, right? Always visualize on
Yan
the
na.
price. Visualize on the price. Kasi nga, kung nag-stop ka na doon sa floor na yon, wala namang nangyari. Or kunyari, let's say, dire-diretso yung stairs na yon, walang pahingaan or what,
Bababa ka pa ba?
bababa ka ba? Babalik ka, pababa? Or should you just keep
O
going?
bababa ka pa ba?
Babalik ka, mag-start all over ka
and then you
ulit.
will wait with that elevator to be fixed.
Ay,
Pero
nako,
hindi mo
wow.
alam. No,
Ah,
don't do
Ito
that.
na lang, yung pagpunta nila sa ano na 'to, saan banda yun, yung sa lighthouse?
Oh,
Yung
yeah,
lighthouse,
yeah,
ilang
that's
steps yun,
true.
Dani?
360.
360?
Ay, no, 330.
Basta 300 plus na steps.
Yeah, pero back and forth yun, 600.
Pababa, isang one way yon, 300 steps to get to the lighthouse. So, napasubok sila.
Mhm.
Kailangan nilang bumaba na sila. Ngayon, syempre, hindi sila, the only way para makauwi sila,
You need to go
makabalik
up.
sila sa car, kailangan nilang umakyat.
And
Another 300 steps.
yeah, mind you, there's no other option. Walang escalator doon.
Yes. So, wala, di ba?
And
Keep
then yun
going.
pa nga, kasama ko pa yung mga kids na bumaba. Oh, di ba? When I go up, natural, mapapagod yung mga bata. Ako naman magbubuhat, ako mahihirapan.
Ito na po. So, ayun. So, sabi ni Shay, yes, dapat may plan B, gumamit ng stairs. Anong sabi natin, Gina? Habang malakas pa at sumasahod pa, mag-invest na. Yes.
Yes, that's true.
Yes, that's very true. Kasi, hindi mo alam kung, yun nga, when life happens, pag biglang, just really have, kahit magsimula ka lang dito sa consider this business as a side hustle or plan B, kasi nga hindi mo masabi kung kailan darating ang unos sa buhay, kung saan you cannot do your job, especially if you only have kahit isa pa o dalawang job yan. Pag kunyari nagkasakit ka, makakapagtrabaho ka ba? Di ba? At least this business, you can do it while you're at home, while you're resting. Right? Or actually, the good thing about this business, because it has automation na na-share ng mga fellow business partners namin in their Go Live about automation, which this business has. You know, once you already started in this business, this business, because of the automation, it works even in the background, even when you're asleep, So, but then again, you have to, sa mga business partners namin dyan, you have to keep showing up. You have to keep showing up in your business, mag-training kayo, kasi kung nandun ka pa rin sa first part, baka nakailang mga 1 or 2 steps ka pa lang, nakailang kwan na, wala. Yes, it is. Paano ko masasabihin yun?
Yeah.
Kailangan kasi may continuous din naman na movement ka, para especially if you're big, your whys are big. Your whys, you want big achievement, then you have to kailangan din mag-effort ka. Hindi ka naman makapunta ka agad dun sa
nung walang effort.
Walang effort.
Yeah, that's true.
Maganda na nga may automation na tong business natin eh. But then again also, dapat may parang rin na dapat may maintenance check, chini-check mo pa rin naman yan. You know? Hindi rin
that's true. Sa sasakyan, right?
Yeah.
Na it always have a maintenance check, lalo na pag you're gonna be mag-journey kayo sa mahaba-habang malayong lugar. Kailangan mo ipa-maintenance yan para to reach that vacation na pupuntahan nyo.
Yeah. Ayun.
Kasi kung hindi mo i-maintenance, wala kang hindi
titigil
uusad
din or kasi may hangganan din yung I mean, this, even though there's that automation na provided na ng ang business nga, you still have to check it every now and then, di ba? Kasi it's only working sabi natin mga about 90%, sabi natin, di ba? But you still have to do some part of it. Hindi you still have to do some work in mind you. This is still your business, So, ayun. Yun na muna tayo. Kasi promotion. Okay, how to? Ano sabi natin, Gina? Promotion is the 10%, kaya post para merong pumasok sa funnel natin, di ba? Huwag silang mahiya. Yes. Yun na nga lang yung part natin is to attract so that the automation will work. You have to get them to the funnel, or mag-attract tayo.
Mhm.
Yun na yung pinaka-part na pinaka-kuha natin, and pinadali na nga because we have the copy and paste from our friend na tulong sa atin ng community natin. So ayun. For those who are going to watch our replay, thank
Mhm.
you for supporting us, and for those who are not
Thank
part of our
you.
business yet.
Yes.
Why are we doing this 9-day success challenge? Is because not only to help us for our personal and professional growth, but we also want to share. Because we want to
Mhm.
share this good opportunity to you, because it's been blessing us, been blessing a lot of other people. Families have been changed with this business, and so that's why we are sharing it to you. We also want to show our faces to you, because we want to show you that it is a legit business. This is a legit business with real people, real results. So if you are curious what this business is all about, visit our website. It's www.genozap.com.
Yes.
Put your name and email address, so that you can watch our free webinar. And then
Mhm.
after that, if you want to know more about our business, go to step 2. And then, like what we said, we've been telling you every time, pray about it, because also that's the best. That's really the uh,
Important
important
ingredient.
ingredient. Yeah.
Very important ingredient
Yes,
dyan.
because only God knows, if
Yes,
this is the
yes.
solution you're looking for.
And remove that mentality to see is to believe. You
Mhm.
have to believe it first. Believe it to yourself.
So you will be successful.
Yes, so that
See it.
you will see it, the beautiful of this with
Beauty of this business.
business, this beauty of business that we've been sharing you guys for the past month already since
Yes,
we
20.
started.
Yes.
Kung hindi ka pa rin nabubusog sa mga nakikita mo sa mga posting namin, bubusugin ka pa namin lalo. And until you will see that already, pa-watch ka lang. If you're just watching there, nothing will happen. Kaya, why digital business?
Because it's more fun,
Less stress.
more joy.
Kaya,
Join
join
us!
us!
Yay!
Yay! Again, this is Ken,
And I am Zap.
and we are proud
Digital
digital
business
business
owners.
owners.
All right, stay tuned with
Okay.
us. Watch us again tomorrow for day
Another,
24.
yes, for another
Success. I mean,
hindi,
another
um,
exciting
exciting
topic.
topic for tomorrow. Thank you again that we will gonna tackle for tomorrow, and be with us again. And huwag kayong magsawa sa kakulitan nitong maliit namin.
Or
Uh,
magsawa. Hindi, baka mas
magsawa sa
na-excite na
amin,
sila,
and then
ma-entertain sila sa kanya, baka magsawa sila sa
and
atin.
huwag kayong ma-distract sa kanya, and then positive lang. See,
Yes.
while we're doing this one as a family, we are enjoying it. The
Yes.
company.
Yes.
Yeah, saan ka pa, right?
Yes. So
All
again,
right.
thank you.
Again, thank
Salamat
you, thank
po.
you again.
Bye for now.
Bye
God
for
bless you
now. God bless
all.
you all. We pray for your success. God bless. God bless. Bye.